Hi there, today I'm reviewing Artstation. It's an art and craft store. It has many branches in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Pune area, and I'm visiting Belapur branch. You can also shop online from them. This is a good store for art enthusiasts and professionals. You can find here a very good collection of local and international brands like Archie, Sakura, Winsor& Newton, Faber-Castell, Camel, Rustro. So come along while I take a walk and let's see if we can find something interesting today. Okay, another interesting thing that I found out about Artstation is that they are holding various art courses, be it resin art, sculpting, charcoal painting, watercolor, and you can find out more about these courses or you can directly make a purchase of these by visiting their website.